Mr. PA Sangma is somebody who we should try and learn and try to copy and emulate what he used to do. And as I tell you, there's a lot that you can learn from Mr. PA Sangma and the work that he did. And a true dedication to him, a great memory for him, and the way to remember him the most would be to follow in his footsteps. In his footsteps of loving his people, in his footsteps of maintaining his principle, in the footsteps of always remembering that you should keep the nation first, the people first. I think these are irreplaceable principles and values. And I hope that through this memorial lecture and through many other activities that we will do in the future, that our youngsters will be able to learn from the life of Shri PA Sangma and be able to contribute to society, to your families and to the country and the world in the days to come.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा प्रभु शुभ नामे जागे प्रभु शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जय जय मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय